Hi guys, I'm recording this today, this afternoon, because I realize many of you did not get the chance to go over this, and I wanted to just review it so that you had that opportunity to do that. So for this assignment, we discussed things we love about writing, and the daily agenda, we're using standard writing 4, which is producing clear and coherent writing in which the development, organization, and style are appropriate to the task. We are talking about chronological order, the way we order our papers. We're talking about coherence, logical order, thesis, transition, and unity. So, our targets are just to begin planning your writing clearly and coherently, keeping in mind your purpose and your audience, and then finally to create cohesion in an argument by using word phrases and clauses. So again, these are the vocab review. We have chronological order, coherence, logical order, thesis, transition, and unity. And you can stop and review these on your own or pause the video. We also talked about argumentative writing, it being writing that an author makes a claim about a topic and then supports it with logic and evidence. Learning how to formulate an effective argument is key for critical thinking. It's also important to learn about making a claim, even for discussing things with your parents, your teachers. You wanna know how to persuade. Persuasive writing also involves making a claim, however, the supporting details are based more on opinions, feelings, instead of facts and evidence. But argumentative writing, we're going to cover that a little bit more thoroughly this week and next. That is more about using research and using real life critical thinking skills. Again, here's some common terms we find um, in argumentative essays. We like to refer to arguments, persuasion, claim, evidence, bridge or warrant, counterclaim, and then turn back. But really, claim is the position that you're trying to get your readers to accept evidence, and also, the counterclaim is an important element. It's being able to challenge that argument by addressing the position of someone who may not agree with that argument. And then here's the general format that I'd like us to use for your 5 paragraph argumentative essay. So we should have an introduction with a hook or lead, and then also a tripart thesis statement. I'd like it if you had at least 3 points within your thesis statement. We're going to continue reviewing what a thesis statement is as well. And then quick check, fill in the blanks. And then again, a quick check. And then this is just a review over an argumentative essay that's using facts, data, logical reasoning to substantiate. And the definition for substantiate, which is up over here, you probably can't see it. This doesn't go all the way. It's to provide evidence or support for something. So we got to be able to provide evidence for those claims that we're making, and given a specific stance on any topic. And then I went briefly over this as well. Oops, briefly over this as well, the 5 paragraph structure. We're going to have an introductory paragraph with that tripart thesis. First body paragraph, second body, again, supporting evidence. That third is where you probably could insert that opposing claim. And then the conclusion is to restate or wrap up that thesis. So basically today we're just talking about what the topics could be. I gave everyone that link in the chat. It will take you to allocation. We're trying to steer away from politics and sexuality, but this website gives you some great additional ideas and topics. And that's really all we're trying to do. I'm trying to make sure everybody is able to identify what they're going to be writing about. And so next week, we're going to definitely start writing that paper together in class as well. But you should certainly go ahead and work on getting a head start and finishing up any other missing items. As always, please reach out. I'm happy to help you in any way, and I'll be here if you need me.